didn't think a product like this exists. This is a bamboo wooden cutting board that is dishwasher safe. Yeah, you heard me right. Most cutting boards that are wood like warp and split and crack when you put them through the dishwasher because you're not supposed to, but this one doesn't. Honestly, if I have to hand wash something, I'm not using it because I absolutely despise hand washing dishes. So if it's dishwasher safe, oh yes, we're in love with this. Keechee uses a carbonized finish over their bamboo boards, which makes it heat resistant and water resistant. I have run this exact one through the dishwasher multiple times and there's no splitting and no warping. And it still looks great. Look at that. And you can use both sides. This side has a little groove around the edges where it will like collect juices and that kind of stuff for runoff. And then this is just a flat, smooth surface side. It's super lightweight. It is very easy to store away and to pull out. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space, as you can see, but it's very durable. This is one of their smaller versions. They do have bigger versions if you're interested in that. And because it's bamboo, it is very gentle on my knives, but it is still tough enough to be very durable. You can use it for everything like chopping fruit, cutting up meat, serving cheese. I absolutely love that I don't have to hand wash this thing. I cannot say that enough. So if you're like me and you hate hand washing things, do yourself a favor and get you one of these. I'm going to put the Amazon link down in the description below.